The art of plant care, understanding plant diseases and pest control. Welcome to Plant Care, where we delve into the fascinating world of understanding plant diseases and pest control. In this video, we will explore the art of plant care, from identifying common plant diseases to clever companion planting techniques. Join us as we uncover the secrets to maintaining a thriving garden and keeping your plants healthy and happy. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tricks, and be sure to like this video if you find it helpful. Let's get started. Identifying common plant diseases, symptoms and treatments. Identifying common plant diseases is crucial in maintaining the health and vitality of your plants. One prevalent disease to watch out for is powdery mildew, characterized by white powdery growth on the leaves. This fungal disease thrives in humid conditions and can spread quickly if left untreated. To control powdery mildew, remove and destroy affected plant parts, improve air circulation, and consider fungicidal treatments if necessary. Another common plant disease is root rot, caused by overwatering and poorly draining soil. Symptoms include wilting, yellowing leaves, and stunted growth. To prevent root rot, ensure proper drainage by using well-draining soil and pots with drainage holes. Additionally, avoid overwatering and allow the soil to partially dry out between waterings. If root rot is detected, pruning affected roots and repotting the plant in fresh soil can help save it. Leaf spot diseases are also widespread among plants, presenting as circular dark spots on the leaves. These diseases can be caused by bacteria, fungi, or environmental stress. To manage leaf spot diseases, remove and destroy infected leaves, avoid wetting the foliage during watering, and apply fungicides as a preventative measure. Proper spacing between plants can also promote air circulation and reduce humidity, minimizing the risk of leaf spot diseases. Understanding the symptoms and treatments for common plant diseases is essential for every plant enthusiast. By promptly identifying and addressing diseases like powdery mildew, root rot, and leaf spot, you can protect your plants from severe damage and ensure their longevity. Regular monitoring, proper care practices, and timely intervention are key to maintaining a healthy garden and beautiful, thriving plants. The impact of environment on plant health and pest infestations. The environment plays a significant role in determining the health of your plants and their susceptibility to pest infestations. Factors such as temperature, humidity levels, sunlight exposure, and soil quality all influence plant health. For instance, high humidity can create favorable conditions for fungal diseases like powdery mildew and root rot to thrive. To combat these issues, proper ventilation and spacing of plants can help reduce humidity levels and minimize disease occurrence. Temperature fluctuations can also impact plant health, with extreme heat or cold stressing plants and making them more susceptible to pests. Pests like aphids and spider mites tend to multiply rapidly in warm conditions, causing damage to plant tissues. To prevent pest infestations, maintaining stable temperature levels within the optimal range for your plant species is crucial. Additionally, monitoring plants regularly for signs of pest activity can help detect infestations early and prevent them from spreading. Sunlight exposure is another critical environmental factor that can affect plant health. Insufficient light can weaken plants and make them more vulnerable to diseases and pests. On the other hand, excessive exposure to direct sunlight can cause sunburn and other stress-related issues. Understanding the light requirements of your plants and ensuring they receive the right amount of sunlight can promote healthy growth and reduce the risk of pest problems. Soil quality is paramount in providing plants with essential nutrients and supporting their overall health. Poor soil drainage can lead to waterlogging and root rot, while nutrient-deficient soil can weaken plants and make them more susceptible to pest attacks. Regularly testing and amending soil to maintain the proper pH levels and nutrient balance can enhance plant health and resilience against pest infestations. By paying attention to environmental factors and providing optimal growing conditions for your plants, you can promote their well-being and minimize the risk of pest-related issues. Organic versus chemical pest control methods, pros and cons. When it comes to pest control methods, There is an ongoing debate between organic and chemical approaches, each with its own set of pros and cons. Organic pest control methods are often favored for being environmentally friendly and safer for beneficial insects. Techniques such as introducing natural predators, using neem oil, or companion planting can effectively manage pests without harming the ecosystem. Moreover, organic methods tend to be more sustainable in the long run, promoting soil health and biodiversity. On the other hand, chemical pest control methods are known for their efficiency and immediate results in eradicating pests. Synthetic pesticides can target specific pests and provide a quick solution to infestations, saving time and effort in the short term. However, the use of chemical pesticides raises concerns about environmental pollution, harm to non-target organisms, and potential risks to human health. Residues from chemical pesticides can accumulate in the soil and water, impacting ecosystems and posing health hazards. Another consideration in the organic versus chemical pest control debate is the cost-effectiveness of each method. Organic pest control techniques may require more labor and resources to implement compared to chemical pesticides, which are often more affordable and readily available. However, the long-term benefits of organic pest control, such as improved soil fertility and reduced dependence on external inputs, can outweigh the initial costs over time. Additionally, the growing demand for organic produce in the market has created incentives for farmers to adopt sustainable pest management practices. It is essential to weigh the pros and cons of both organic and chemical pest control methods to determine the most suitable approach for your specific needs and circumstances. Integrating multiple strategies, utilizing biological controls, and practicing preventive measures can help minimize reliance on chemical pesticides while effectively managing pest populations. Ultimately, choosing the right pest control method involves finding a balance between efficiency, sustainability, and environmental responsibility. Clever companion planting to deter pests naturally. Companion planting is a clever and natural method that involves strategically growing certain plants together to benefit each other. One way companion planting works is by deterring pests through the use of natural repellents. For example, planting marigolds alongside tomatoes can help repel nematodes, while growing basil near tomatoes can deter tomato hornworms. These companion plants release compounds or scents that mask the odors of host plants, making it challenging for pests to locate their targets. In addition to pest deterrence, companion planting can also attract beneficial insects that help control pest populations in the garden. Plants like dill, fennel, and coriander act as nectar sources for beneficial insects like ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps, which are natural predators of common garden pests such as aphids and caterpillars. By creating a diverse and plant-rich environment, companion planting enhances biodiversity and creates a more balanced ecosystem in the garden. Moreover, companion planting can improve soil health and plant growth by utilizing the principles of crop rotation and intercropping. Certain plants have symbiotic relationships, where one species provides nutrients or protection to another. For example, legumes like beans and peas can fix nitrogen in the soil, benefiting neighboring plants that require nitrogen for healthy growth. Interplanting crops with varying root depths can also help prevent soil erosion, improve water retention, and maximize space utilization in the garden. When considering companion planting, it is essential to understand the compatibility of plant species, their growth habits, and their nutrient requirements. Planning a diverse and thoughtfully designed garden layout based on companion planting principles can help maximize the benefits of this natural pest control method. Experimenting with different combinations of companion plants and observing their effects on pest management and plant health can lead to a harmonious and thriving garden ecosystem. Preventative plant care practices, tips for a thriving garden. Preventative plant care practices are essential for maintaining a thriving garden and minimizing the risk of plant diseases and pest infestations. Proper sanitation is a key aspect of preventative plant care, as cleaning and removing debris from the garden can help reduce the presence of pathogens and pests. Regularly pruning dead or diseased plant parts, cleaning garden tools, and removing fallen leaves can prevent the spread of infections and create a healthier environment for plants to thrive. Implementing proper watering techniques is another crucial preventative measure for plant health. Overwatering can lead to root rot and fungal diseases, while underwatering can stress plants and make them more susceptible to pests and diseases. It is important to water plants at the base in the morning to allow foliage to dry during the day, minimizing the risk of fungal infections. Using mulch around plants can help retain moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weed growth, contributing to overall plant health. Maintaining good air circulation in the garden is also vital for preventing plant diseases. Adequate spacing between plants, removing overcrowded or diseased vegetation, and avoiding planting in areas with poor air movement can help reduce humidity levels and inhibit the development of fungal infections. Proper ventilation not only benefits plant health but also discourages pests that thrive in humid and stagnant conditions, such as spider mites and aphids. Furthermore, integrating beneficial companion plants into the garden can enhance preventative plant care practices by attracting natural predators of common garden pests. Plants like yarrow, dill, and fennel can serve as trap crops or natural repellents, deterring pests and encouraging a more balanced ecosystem. By combining preventative measures such as sanitation, proper watering, air circulation, and companion planting, gardeners can proactively care for their plants and create an environment that promotes thriving growth and resilience against potential threats. The art of plant care: understanding plant diseases and pest control. Explore more tips and tricks on plant care by subscribing to our channel. Discover the secrets to a thriving garden and keep your plants happy and healthy. Don't miss out on valuable insights. Hit the subscribe button now and give this video a thumbs up to support our mission in fostering beautiful and flourishing gardens.